Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of January. And first of all, national news. Sonia Gandhi admitted to Delhi's Gangaram Hospital with viral infection. Walmart got $1 billion tax bill for shifting phone pay to India, a report said. Big relief for Yogi Adityanath government on reservation in local polls. 43 Kerala hotels shut after 100 fall sick due to suspected food poisoning. 2 flights diverted before landing at Raipur airport due to bad weather. Paris-bound Air India flight made emergency landing in Delhi after snag. President gave assent to Gujarat bill allowing police action against protesters. 4,000 homes, schools, mosques, Uttarakhand demolition raw and Supreme Court on 5th January. Terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir under control. Home Ministry report. Maharashtra Power Company's employees go on 72-hour strike. And now some international news. China will interfere with Dalai Lama's succession. Debit's president in exile. Snow, flood and tornado threats as first winter storm of 2023 hits US. Europeans needed wake-up call as Jaishankar on emerging new world order. Seoul warned of ending military pact if North Korea violates airspace, a report said. Elon Musk said US demanded suspension of 250,000 Twitter accounts. First time in 100 years, US Congress fails to elect speaker in first ballot. Russia said mobile use enabled deadly Ukrainian strike that killed 89. Canada grants permanent residency to more than 437,000 foreigners in 2022. Russia's Putin ordered screening of Ukraine assault documentaries. US said COVID test for China travelers based on science. Poland said Germany rejected its demand for World War II compensation. Japan is paying families 1 million yen per child to move out of Tokyo. Now, sports news. DDCA selector Dana stages walkout from meeting. Specialist Ranji openers stay back at Rajkot Hotel. World number 1 position is our goal. Satvik Siraj Ranki Reddy. Rishabh Pant to undergo surgery for ligament tears and will be monitored by BCCI medical team. Lionel Messi received Guard of Honor upon PSG return for World Cup winning campaign with Argentina. Had many offers from Europe. Cristiano Ronaldo revealed reason behind joining Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. Bhupinder Singh Gill, first Sikh Punjabi referee to officiate in English Premier League. Now news related to business. Market benchmarks Sensex and Nifty tumbled 1% on Wednesday. P rose 18 paise to close at 82.82 against US dollar. ATM, debit cards, mobile banking issues top grounds of complaints, RBI. Center to distribute over 8 lakh DD free set-top boxes in remote areas. Center approved Rs 19,744 crore incentive plan for green hydrogen industry. India's sports industry got a boost after government recognition. Services sector growth touched 6-month high in December. India Asian Development Bank signed $220 million loan to improve power sector in Tripura. News from Science and Technology. SpaceX kicked off New Year with landmark 200th space flight, launched 114 satellites. CES 2023 Unistellar's Equinox 2 telescope lets amateur astronomers took great images. Apollo 7 astronaut Walter Cunningham dead at 90. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.